So the business started in, I would say, 2014. I was still employed at the time in corporate, and I was just very interested in human hair wigs. At the time, it was just for personal use. But the cheapskate that I am, I was determined to find a more affordable supplier because back then hair was so expensive. One of the things that was happening in the industry was that all the hair was coming from either China or India. None of it was ever done in the country. And when I went to India, I was introduced to small factories that were actually processing hair, and I was like, I feel like we could do this back at home so that we can control the quality and not just receive a finished product. I was lucky enough to be financed by one of the government institutions to buy the machinery. After a month in China getting training, I came back. I trained my people back at home because we just didn't have the budget to send everyone there. And then the entire flight back, I'm hoping that I don't forget everything that I learned. Luckily, I was able to train them and pass on the knowledge. And we started making wigs in South Africa and then just shipping the raw bulk hair.
The 2025 Entrepreneur of the Year Awards are sponsored by Business Partners Limited, the entrepreneur's financier,